I'm the light you gave, chased every shadow, every empty way. I heard your voice, but I closed my ears. I built my walls with doubt and fear. Now I'm standing here with trembling hands, a broken heart only you can mend. And I know I don't deserve your grace, but still I lift my eyes and say, God, I'm sorry for the nights I pushed your love away. God, I'm sorry for the moments when I chose my own way. If you're listening, I'm calling. Take this heart that keeps on falling. I'm on my knees, I'm crying. God, I'm sorry. I sinned and tried to hide the truth, ran from the light that was meant to guide my youth. But mercy waits when my failures end. You turn the lost into found again. The more I break, the more you stay. Even when I fade, your love remains. And I know I don't deserve your grace, but still I lift my hands and say, God, I'm sorry for the nights I pushed your love away. God, I'm sorry for the moments when I chose my own way. If you're listening, I'm calling. Take this heart that keeps on falling. I'm on my knees, I'm crying. God, I'm sorry. Heal the parts of me I've tried to hide. Wash the shame I carry deep inside. I surrender all the wrong I've done. Let your mercy cover everyone. Pull me back into your open arms, safe again, away from harm. God, I'm sorry, but I know your love can make me new. God, I'm sorry. I'm coming home back to you. If you're listening, I'm calling. Lift me up when I keep falling. I'll trust your grace, your glory. God,